Good morning, everybody. This is Super Simple Fixes coming to you today, showing you how to change the clock on a 2014 Honda Accord. There's actually going to be two other things that we're going to change the clocks on or correct it, and I'll show that also in a couple other videos. But what I like about Honda is they make things pretty obvious. Obviously, there's going to be some things that are going to be different for each car. If yours is a little bit more complex or different, take a look at the manual. I'm sure it'll clue you in there. But anyway, here we go. So 2014 Honda Accord, time change. We're going to spring forward. So we're going to look at that at 7:47. You're going to see the controls down here when you turn on the radio. Just hit clock screen. Spring forward 1 hour. Hit the set button. And there you go. All right, thanks a lot. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.